Yeah, I think it's going to get a bit messy, but sometimes you just gotta do it. Oh.
Crazy.
Hey guys, so today's job, it's going to be a bit of an awkward one. So if you can tell, I'm feeling a bit rough today. So this is, it's a bit of a later start, but yeah, I guess that's just the joy of being self-employed. But come and see what I want to go and try and do. I'll need this. So today's job is doing a bit of stippling. So got a bit of sand. My mixer's ready. But yeah, so this is the stipple that I've got a copy. So it's kind of a vertical stipple, horizontal stipple. So it's more of a wave than what I would normally do. So I just have to adjust it. I think it's a slightly thicker brush as well. But yeah, so this is the extension. But this is the area when you think. So yeah. I mean, I'm not that fat, but I've got to get in here and get up there. I can't put a bench in. Yeah, I think it's going to get a bit messy, but sometimes you just got to do it. Oh, it's going to be horrible tomorrow when there's a scratch coat on, when there's less room. Fuck. Yeah. So this is what I'm up against first thing. So I'm just going to chuck some beads on the bottom. Oh my god. And somehow lose some weight. I just had to take all the piping off as well, because that was in the way. Right, it's all roughly beaded up now. I'm going to get some stop beads tomorrow for that, which is a pain, but it is what it is. I've done as much as I can down there. Right, go mix. Right guys, it's tight. Good job, this is a stipple finish, that's all I'm saying. This requires fairly decent trial control, because there's no way you can get a handboard in here. There'll be a lot of huff and puffing on this video. This is not the best when you're feeling a bit bloated, I'll tell you that for a fact. Right. You're going to have to move now, because in a minute I'm not going to be able to get much further without having a belly full. Oh. Wondering about the top, I'm gonna climb on top of this roof and drag it down. because that is the only way I'm going to manage to do it. Yeah, first one I made a bit of a mess. I might have to come back here. Probably should have started at the top, but I thought I might be able to reach, but I'll have to come back and clean this maybe tomorrow. Never going to be soon, but I might go and do the top now actually. Jesus. Yeah, this is not fun. Not fun at all. I thought I could reach a bit higher, but I just can't lift my trowel any higher. Right guys, so I'm going to have to stipple down here today. So as I said, this is narrow, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the top up there. I've got my ladder here just to show you, when you've got gutters, you can lean on gutters if you pack them out with some wood. This is just going to stop it from flexing, so that when it's got my weight on it, it's not going to snap. Right, so I'm just going to quickly wet the top of that and chuck some stuff on. Right, so I'll go for a time lapse, and when I get inside there, I'll talk to you about it while I'm there. Right. Right guys, oh Jesus. Alright, so I'm gonna pop you over here and hope that I can get to you. Oh, I wish I hadn't wet the wall. So again, oh Jesus Christ, all in one, get on board. Yeah, I am really just trying to spread this as far as possible. Just to try and get as much done as I can. I'll be honest with you, I really don't care about the pattern. I'm just trying to get Right, keep coming out here. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, not fun, but I'll get something on it to get up there and clean. But yeah, this is where I'm at, so I'll try and get you into a bit more of the video, but I'm just going to put you over here, put you on a time lapse, and then you can... So the stipple all matches now. There's a bit of work in these reveals. They're a bit of a pain because I had to cut down angle beads, but it all worked out in the end. Now this area, I got all that done. Absolute pain, but yeah, we got there in the end. Right, it is late. I've got places to be. Time to go. Right guys, thank you very much for watching this video. You've got to the end, so thank you. If you like videos like this, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. So I'm Anthony Parry, I'm a plasterer from North Wales. If you have any interest in getting some work done, please don't hesitate to get in touch. I have a website, www.anthonyparryplastering.co.uk. You can get an online quote there if you want, and also I am on Facebook, WhatsApp, obviously YouTube and TikTok, Instagram. I'm on all of them, so if you need to get in touch, you can find me that way. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye.